Hi everybody, my name is Dipanshu and we are here again with another episode of my podcast with my dear friend, and they are the major exporter of caps in India. So I think this episode is going to be very interesting. So Divyang.
Hi, it's a great thing. Very excited for this podcast, and hopefully, this is an interesting conversation for you as well as the viewers that are watching.
Hmm.
Hopefully, we are able to share some good insights and let's
So
talk.
Divyang, tell me about your company little bit. Ki what does Cuddle India? The Divyang's company name is Cuddle India, and what does they do and how does this started, like the backstory little bit of like.
So, Cuddles India was basically started by my parents, Bhavna and Amit Agarwal. So, they had started from a small garage setup at our home only, with 3 4 machines. We used to make kids' beddings and cushions and these kind of stuffs at the start, and slowly and gradually transcend into garments, kids' garments. We started from here. Then the company was started in 2007.
Mm,
Kids' garments took off really nicely. It was growing, growing, growing. Till 2019, we were doing majorly kids' garments. Then slowly and gradually, from one customer, we started doing a little bit of caps. That they really wanted to do some caps, and वो कह रहे थे कि they were really unsure कि इंडिया में will they be able to make good quality caps या
mm.
नहीं. तो एक थी वो चीज़ कि यार क्यों नहीं बन पाएगी यार.
क्यों नहीं बना सकते?
तो वो तो है ही. हमारे को इतना पहले एक्सपोजर नहीं था कि कैप्स बनती है इंडिया में भी कि नहीं बनती है. हमने बोला कि यार बनाने के लिए तो इट्स जस्ट अ कैप
Everything is
है ना,
possible,
तो
right?
वी कैन डू इट इजीली. धीरे धीरे जैसे चालू करा कैप्स का काम तो फिर रियलाइज हुआ कि यार इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ कैप, इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ
R&D.
R&D and speciality and special labor, special machinery, everything is involved in this, and it's
हाँ.
a totally different product line. तो कर रहे थे उसमें. तो एक थोड़ा वो था कि चलो बायर को तो सर्व करना ही है, प्लस अब उसने ये एक पॉइंट बोल दिया और इंडिया से बनेगा कि नहीं
हाँ,
बनेगा,
हाँ,
तो
so
एक
that's
थोड़ा
a
अंदर का पेट्रियोटिक वो चीज़ होती
ego
है कि
thing. Yeah, we can do
क्यों
this,
नहीं
right?
बनेगी. तो मुझसे स्टार्ट करा, फादर ने और मदर ने स्टार्ट करा उसको कैप्स को ढंग से बनाना.
हाँ,
अच्छा चला वो. देन ऑब्वियसली कोविड हिट तो थोड़ा स्लो डाउन
हाँ.
हो गया अपना. बट लास्ट ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स वी हैड डिसाइडेड कि चलो ठीक है, इधर नोएडा से वी शुड जस्ट डू कैप्स and focus mainly on caps because the demand was there. Now we had
Hmm.
got the grip of the industry also, how things are made. Sourcing सही बैठ गई थी, कारीगर सही बैठ गए थे, everything was in place. So we decided this is the right time that we should totally transform the factory.
Go on caps more.
हाँ. So caps में वैसे ही फिर we made this whole setup into a specialized cap unit. तो all the specialized mold machines that are needed to
Hmm.
be put in place for the
Heat press and all
pastings
the
and
stuff.
heat presses are there. All pneumatic machines, all automated machines have been brought in to get this thing right. And caps is a very interesting category because everybody has a very different
Yeah,
perspective.
it's very popular in street style, like that show, the kind Shark Tank. A guy came on that, they like drip, right? So they especially made caps, and their major revenues from caps.
Yes,
But I think the major player in caps is China still, right?
correct. China is a very major player in caps. There are certain villages only in China that make about 500 million caps a year.
500 million.
Million caps a
Wow.
year. So the huge quantities are being made from there. China, Vietnam is also a good country to make
Mm-hmm.
caps. Even our friendly neighbor Pakistan has been trying to. They also manufacture caps, but not high quality caps.
Not
China
that
is the
sport quality.
biggest manufacturer of caps as of now.
Yeah,
That's correct.
because when I came here, I was also a little bit of that कि भाई India में how can we make that quality of, like, I've never met so much manufacturer. Like I've met over 200 300 manufacturers, but not like only 2 or 3% are into the caps and everything.
Correct.
So that's why I was curious to come here to check it out कि भाई caps कैसी quality के बना रहे हैं, क्या है, like not the, like, if I'm talking about the quality, I'm a brand owner also, so I already have a standard.
Correct.
Right? So that's why I came here, check it out, and I was really amazed by the quality, that this is quality standards that you have maintained.
Thank you so much. For
Right?
this.
So
Yes.
so that is a very big thing and
Yes.
especially in India, because the shift from China to India to become a manufacturing hub, these kind of things you need,
Yeah, everything you need. No, so
right?
there's not even one category that you can leave if you want to
Ha
compete with China
ha.
because they have their hands dipped in everything. We have to catch up. तो कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
कैप्स ओवरऑल ना अगर आप देखोगे तो इसका कल्चर भी बड़ा इट्स यू कैन कंपेयर इट टू द स्नीकर कल्चर इन द
Ha, Gen
यूएस
Z culture.
जेनजी कल्चर कह सकते हो बट इट्स बीन रनिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम बेसबॉल कैप्स का
हाँ.
कल्चर इन द यूएस हैज बीन अ वेरी ओल्ड कल्चर है आप कह लो फ्रॉम मे बी द
Related to hip hop also,
हाँ हिप हॉप
right?
से पहले बेसबॉल से दे यूज्ड टू बेसिकली इट वाज जस्ट अ हेड कवर कि अपने को
हम्म.
धूप से बचाना है बेसबॉल
Hmm.
फिर धीरे धीरे उसमें भी इन द अर्ली आई थिंक 70s और समथिंग बेसबॉल में उसको कैप्स को प्रमोट करना इट बिकेम मोर ऑफ अ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट तो लोग अपने हिसाब से दे यूज्ड टू कर्व देयर ब्रिम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देम उसको फिटेड कैप्स लेते हैं जो
हाँ.
कैप का एक सर्टेन कर्व है अपना ब्रिम का जो फैक्ट्री से
Duck
निकलता है
cap, I
हमारे
guess that.
डक कैप तो स्ट्रेट हो गई
हाँ.
कर्व जो बेसबॉल कैप होती है
हाँ,
अपनी
हाँ, हाँ,
कर्व
हाँ.
ब्रिम वाली तो उसको भी लोगों की बड़ी फैसिनेशन होती है कि मेरे को इतना कर्व बिल्कुल आई
वो
वांट
खुद
टू
ही कर
टाइटर
देते
कर्व हाँ खुद उसके साथ दे कीप फिडलिंग
Right.
विद इट सो ये अपने आप में उनको इन्वॉल्व रखता है इसमें एंड दे फील कि हाँ this is something that I have put my hand and this
And
is somewhat shaped by me and this is unique to me
so it's a giving a personal touch to it,
personal touch
right?
to it
So
हाँ
it becomes already your favorite, or
बिल्कुल
NBA caps kind of like I'm a fan of NBA caps,
हाँ
but it just doesn't go with my style statement. But I like him, like the way that very street style, and I think right now the street style is getting hype and hype and hype. Gen Z style.
हाँ
Lot more people are in India. I'm talking about in India. India में a lot more brands are coming, like that brand Urban Monkey.
हम्म
Their major revenue, I guess, come from the caps.
हाँ
They
I
are
think
major.
they started the brand with caps only
Yeah, they saw an opportunity in drips. So,
Drips.
so this is a nice, like, skating culture is all about caps, I guess. They
Correct.
are very high on caps,
High on caps yes
and Gen Z is high on caps. Like
yes
most of them, like oversized cargo, and then
a slam
cap,
back
cap.
yes
So it's I think it's a very nice future in India also, because I've met a lot of manufacturers here, and I've not seen this big of a manufacturing of especially caps.
hmm.
They are doing caps, but side business, not major.
yes
So that's like that. And also this situation that we talked about, Bangladesh. You are a major player in export.
yes
That might benefit you on that circle if the global brands turn out to change from Bangladesh.
definitely in the short run right now there will
Huh.
be some upward movement in the market for
Huh.
manufacturers but let's see what the long run situation entails for us how the economic situation turns out overall
Hmm.
that will depend the course of action of orders coming in and diverting from Bangladesh
Hmm.
but yeah I think in a short term program yes we
Yeah.
should see an influx of orders right
It
now
might change. So
yes
Divyang bhai, I'm really curious about what kind of caps we make. Like,
so we
oh,
can make all types of headwears now. So be it a baseball cap, be it a snapback, be it a tennis cap, bucket hats, safari hats, endless things. Docker caps also we are doing. So they are
hmm,
like brimless caps. That is brimless, no visor in front,
okay,
just the head,
just the
just the
half
skull.
circle.
Yes,
That's it.
yeah.
Okay.
I'll send you a picture if you can maybe put it in
Wait,
the.
which one is these and these and these? Aish, देखिए एक बार उठा के. तीनों. So this is, I guess, suede,
This is corduroy.
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 Okay, I had no idea what this corduroy means. So I'm just gonna.
Corduroy is basically the fabric suede wali feel hai, but
हाँ हाँ.
with these veins in it. It's like
Okay, so you guys can see this is called corduroy.
corduroy.
Corduroy. Okay, I had no knowledge and I just learned this. So this one, I guess, is duck cap, right?
Yes, you can call it a duck cap. You can call it a
And
snapback.
here we can stick any sticker.
Yes, this is basically a new development where
Customizable.
yeah, so you can if you're a brand, you can get this blank, you can sell this, and you can sell velcroable patches along with it.
Okay.
And you can make different anime patches. You can do if your brand is more inclined towards anime, or different embroidered patches, silicone patches, anything. And the customer can just buy one cap and keep on changing those patches and have a new cap every day.
Okay, so
that
nice
is-
one, like
yes.
nice idea. So you just have to patch it up here, whatever, like what's your name, your brand, Chanel patch. Just have to have a back sticker, Velcro, right?
Velcro, yes.
Velcro. Sorry. And this one,
This is another
fancy
baseball
one.
cap, but this is a jacquard fabric. machine
Jacquard one.
Yeah,
full jacquard,
full jacquard fabric.
and back like looks fine. So, like all caps can be made
All caps.
customizable.
Customizable, yes. We make all of them made to order,
Huh.
on order basis only.
Order basis.
Yes.
And we can do embroidery, heat press, like sorry, HD,
Yes, HD transfer.
Right.
You can do rubber patches, stitch on rubber patches. You can do
right?
heat transfer rubber patches. You can do. You can even make PU patches and get them
PU
stitched
patches,
on.
plastic
stitch them-
ones.
Plastic sole patches. You can get them stitched on. You can even get metal trinkets
Ha,
made,
ha, ha.
and you can get them stitched on. So possibilities are endless. You can get leather patches done. You can get no, direct silicone prints also we are doing now. So direct fabric pe, there's no sticking or something. They're printed directly on the fabric.
Okay,
Raised
okay,
silicone
okay,
print.
okay. So it doesn't have any feel
It is a raised thing, but it will
Okay.
never come out because it's directly printed on the fabric.
Okay,
So
that
it's
will
very
last
long,
very
long
long.
lasting. Yes.
Wow,
उसकी
nice.
feel भी is very different from another HD. Basically, HD transfer में you have a limitation of a height. You can reach only a certain height. With
हाँ, point like
हाँ,
इतना उठा हुआ
1000 microns तक वो is
हाँ.
what I know कि हम अभी तक achieve कर पाए हैं, but इससे थोड़ा plus minus और मिल जाएगा. But with direct silicone print, we can raise it to maybe 10 mm also.
But HD does have a like life, right? It does come off.
It does
after
come off after some time,
some
after
time.
some washes.
But this, I think, it won't
this
come off.
won't come out. So microns is even a smaller unit than mm. Mm is this is the smallest unit of a centimeter, and so on.
Wait, I'll just show you an example. So this is an HD, okay, and the height you are seeing here, probably you can't see, okay. ये जितना उठा हुआ है,
You
this is
might want
called
to take a different piece. The altar wala hai.
no problem.
Yeah,
No,
I thought he
you
was
just have
assuming
to
it.
show na what this means, right? So you see this height here, na? This is called microns, right? This
Yes,
is called
this is called
microns.
microns.
ये जो इसमें से इतनी height है, this height is called microns. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Better. This
So
is called microns. So enough about caps. In kids wears also, like what kind of trend do you guys follow? Do you guys follow trend making, or is it a custom order?
yeah, so we are always been a white label manufacturing unit. So we always follow tech packs given to us by the buyers. We do for shows and all, yes, to show our capabilities. We do designing, but that is not that we keep those designs in stock, ready stocks. We don't deal like that. We only make made to order stuff.
Okay, so if I'm a client,
Yeah.
I come in, I have to have my own design. There's
Yes,
no
we can maybe brainstorm with you definitely that these are our possibilities that we can do, and this should look nice and this should not look nice according to our knowledge and our expertise that we've gained over the years dealing with different buyers. But certainly, yes, we always prefer that the buyer has the
His
designs ready,
designs
his
ready.
vision is clearer, so that our job is
to
simpler
make
and
it.
just get it done.
make
with,
it. Yeah, because I think 80% or 70% of client who comes here doesn't have that clear.
Yes.
Usually the big brands have that cleared out, but anything who's starting out doesn't have it clear.
Yeah. Even medium brands, if you talk about them, they still, some of them still have some fogginess in their mind. They're in the midway. They are clear also, and they're not clear also. So they also need some hand holding.
I've been there because when I was starting out, I used to be like that. But now I know the hassle of manufacturing also
Yes.
and the brand also. So I whenever I approach anybody, whenever I'll approach you for the caps, I'll must sure कि I have my style ready,
Correct.
because I don't want to waste your time, my time, because that's just uh, destroys the streamliness of the work,
Correct.
right?
That is, the more smoother we can work, the
Huh,
better timelines we can achieve,
huh.
the better results that we can achieve.
So, what is the minimum we can do in caps? Like, if I want to have my own style,
So our basic minimum is 500 pieces per style per color.
per style, per color,
Huh.
right?
So those are the minimums that we usually work at.
And if we are looking for some like jacquard kind of style, like what does approximate this comes around? Like not the style, just this style. I'm not talking about any style. So you can have this approximate style of this one, right?
Hmm.
So what price range does it come around?
So for a jacquard cap, if you go with the minimums,
Hmm.
then we obviously need to show you the current available options, because
Huh.
if you want to go for a specialized jacquard weave pattern
Hmm.
that we want to go with,
Hmm.
then the minimums are very high. We need good quantities for that. So with the available fabrics, if we choose from, it can usually range between 200 to 250 rupees for a good structured cap.
For a good structure, like something like this one,
Yes.
right?
Something like
This
that.
and this looks very fine, very colory, and looks great. And in like in kids wear, we have around like what I can see is around 500 different styles.
Yeah, there could be more than 1,000 styles also in our inventory
Thousand
for shows and all. These are collected from various orders that we've done in the past, various stylings that we have
samples.
done, samples for our shows. So,
So
lot of 17 years we gathered a lot of garments and do a lot of samples. So,
so kids wear is different from like what we usually wear. What is the
so
difference?
basically,
The size,
sizing main difference, and a little bit of styling also.
styling
More
also.
cutie
Huh.
stuff, more kids.
Like eye candy kind of a thing,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Sizing, how we like, I'm very intrigued by the sizing thing, because people get so confused in sizing. Sometimes I do also. So how do you guys size from 0 to 12 years? I guess this ranges for kids, right?
Yeah, 14.
14, right?
Yes.
So how does this sizing works?
So, different manufacturers also have their different size sets that they usually follow if they're
Hmm.
in bulk manufacturing of their own designs and keeping stocks.
Hmm.
So, they can usually go with 0 to 2. They can
Hmm.
jump 2 sizes and
Yeah,
make so on 0 to 2,
so
2 to
on.
4, and so on, so on. And either they can just go in months also for newborns from 0,
Hmm.
if you're saying
0 to
so
4,
0
0
to
to
6
2.
months, 6 months to 12 months,
Hmm.
12 to 18, 18
Hmm.
to 24,
Hmm.
and so on.
Hmm. So this grading works like that.
This grading works like that, and
Okay.
usually also, other than that, if a brand specifically wants a sizing that they follow, basically in European regions you will find a different sizing. The kids are differently sized, a
Okay.
little more petite, smaller, and then in American markets you will find a size. So every market has
Different
their own size sets
sizing.
and their own preferences of size.
Okay.
And even in every market, each brand certainly has some different sizing in them. So in the
Okay.
tech packs, usually buyers also give us all the measurements, that this is the measurement that we want, and then we grade it from that,
Graded from up and
up and
down.
down.
They gave you for like 2 years or 4 years.
Yeah.
Set of that key, you have to start with 4
Yeah.
sampling, and then we'll grade down and grade up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Like, so you guys export for which countries, like US market, Europe market, both, right?
Yeah.
What is the difference in sizing? Like, are they one plus than Europe or one minus than Europe?
So for adults, yes, they are a little more plumpier, so they
Hmm.
can go. There's a certain slight change in sizing, but
Hmm.
for kids, there's not much of a difference between US and European markets.
European
you can say.
markets.
Japanese market, if you go, then there's a lot of size difference. Those kids
Very.
are more small, a little more
Acha,
smaller.
people are more small.
More
Okay.
small. So sizing with other difference will come more in adults than kids.
Okay.
Kids will remain in a similar ballpark, but adult sizes do change from region to region.
Time to time, like
Yeah.
from country to country.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess Indians comes in midway.
Yeah, we are a mixed market because a lot of Indians are obese also,
Huh.
and a lot of Indians are fit also. So big population, so it's a mixed market.
How come you never thought of going after obese people? You have the manufacturing, you have everything. Why don't you like go on for that?
So in women's wear, we do make plus size clothing
Okay,
also.
okay.
Yeah,
I had no idea. Sorry.
women
So,
plus size clothing we
yeah,
do.
yeah.
So in Japan market also there is a certain type of styling, if you will, okata type of styling. So
Acha.
they're like very free flowing gowns,
Okay,
like
okay.
almost like apna kaftans almost, and their dresses are also they like free flowing stuff in ladies wear. So they're
Very
very
movement.
yeah. So that those stylings don't work in European markets at all because they find they like more body hugging
Body,
clothes,
I guess
more tight.
Japan's culture is like that,
Yes, could be.
right?
Climate also plays a lot of.
Japan cold,
Nee, Japan is more humid now because it's
humid.
surrounded by water
Okay,
and
never
everything.
been to Japan.
It is cold and
वर्ल्ड के सबसे बेस्ट डेनिम जापान का
Yeah,
बिल्कुल
because
मोमोरातो
yeah,
बेस्ट डेनिम
Momrato denims, right?
वो हैंडमेड मतलब उनका इंडिगो नेक्स्ट लेवल वो
हाँ
पूरा नेचुरल इंडिगो यूज
Oh, like I recently went to this Levi's store and I saw a very price difference in the same kind of stuff. But the one was priced 10,000 and the other was priced 3,500 something. The only difference was that this is 10,000 one was made in Japan. The rest was made in India also. So, like there's a big difference. Japan have their strong hand in denims,
Hmm.
but the problem with them, which I saw, the people are dying there.
Yeah, aging population
Aging
problem is
population
there.
is very much there in this market, and they're very specific.
Their arts are also because of the aging
Ha,
population. Their arts are also declining now. So they used to take a lot of pride in weaving denim and
ha,
making denim. It's almost like a craft. If you see
craft.
the traditional denim manufacturers in Japan, so they
Ha,
really take a lot of pride in forgetting the technical term for the denim that they produce. So they used to take a lot of pride in it,
ha,
dyeing it in certain indigo shades.
ha.
The process of dyeing also
They created this salvage denim, right? I
salvage
guess,
denim.
right?
Yes,
That
yes.
comes from
It's from
Japan,
Japan.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like, nice. I have one, but I'm not really a fan of very tough. I need some lycra in it for the movement
Yes.
because salvage is very tough.
Yeah. So अब
हाँ,
jeans का जो पहला अपना रोल था, it was supposed to be a workwear.
workwear. When Levi started from,
Yes, yes.
right?
So
Yeah, but
they're still
now
following the traditional paths and making it rough and tough so that it lasts long.
like I have no idea where this cap culture came out.
So again, I'm saying all countries have different uprootings of cap culture, but main focus has been as a culture has been focused and concentrated more in the US.
US.
And yeah, वही तो baseball से they had started ये culture
baseball
start
caps.
हुआ. They had personalized them. They used to really take pride in wearing those caps for the team that they support. They used to support those
Yankees.
Yankees.
Everybody
Actually,
love
when New York
Yankees.
Yankees only skyrocketed this culture of caps because they were the ones
I think
introducing the NY cap for the first time.
logo.
Logo cap.
Yeah.
तो उधर से था फिर धीरे धीरे जब कल्चर पिक कर ही रहा था so all these new era came in, they started promoting it
Caps.
with baseball only, then NBA, then hip hop also picked this culture up. उससे पहले they used to wear अपना toe rags that we used to see,
Back one.
bandanas कह लिया आपने.
Bananas. Like
तो उसके बाद हिप हॉप कल्चर में थोड़ा कैप्स भी अच्छी पिकअप होने लगी.
I think Yankees play a big role in promoting caps because if I even don't know the team, I don't know the team actually.
You know the logo.
I just know the logo and which team it belongs to.
Yes.
Yankees. That's it. Just
Correct.
like Nike or any other brand.
हाँ.
If I don't even know the brand, I just recognize the logo that this is a brand that I've seen so many times. So
NY, that logo has become a staple go-to for if someone imagines a cap, they will 90% imagine it with that NY logo on it.
So that team really took off because of cap, or I think caps really took off because of that.
Both I think
Correlated,
yes,
I guess.
correlated क्योंकि team को भी exposure with their merch selling so good, so nicely. The team got good exposure, I am sure, and they got good sponsorships from that, and their business did well. So team also benefited from it, and cap culture benefited from the team basically, I think.
Nice. So,
Yes.
what's your next step in the caps? Like any other new developments that we have, like from that patchwork. Patchwork is a nice one. This the blank customizable.
Yeah. So new developments, we are I keep on thinking of new developments. So I want to do. Think there's some technologies that China obviously has already come out with.
Advantage.
I have just stuck a Velcro patch on the cap. They've
Uh,
stuck a LCD screen on the patch on
LCD.
the cap. So the
LCD.
LED screen on the patch.
So how do they power it? Like they have
No,
battery
small
also.
battery pack. Yes.
Oh, I don't want to wear that. I know, no, because if I have any electronic device around my brain, it will really fuck up my brain frequencies and
Yes.
especially my sleep cycle. And
Yeah.
I'm very uh, focused on that, not to disturb that thing, right? So I think LCDs are big no, big no, big no.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
So,
यार वो पहले normal LED वाली accessories have been there in the market
uh,
for centuries now, I
uh,
think.
so
So yeah,
you guys create also performance caps.
performance caps, yes. So we are developing new fabrics that are two fabrics are first fused together, and
Hmm.
then we make it good water resistance and weather resistant
Hmm.
basically, and comfortable at the same time. For breathability, we do laser vent holes in them
Vents.
for ventilation.
Okay.
So yeah, performance caps are also there. Basic performance caps also we do that are more functional.
Hmm.
We are also developing a new cap that is more easier for people to just carry around when they're
Carry.
camping. So it can just get folded. Like a proper hard peak
Hmm.
cap can just be folded into a small bag with a
Wow.
footprint like this,
This
big, and you
wow.
can just carry it around with you.
For
So
trekking
for
only.
trekking
Trekking
purposes,
only.
for maybe you get safety cap in your bag that if it's too sunny out there, you
I will
just pull out
be
it.
needing this trekking cap. We're a big fan of trek, so
Yes,
we do a lot of treks. So
definitely.
we'll have it like for that. So
Definitely.
like what tracking like कि थोड़ा ड्राई फिट कैप हो
हाँ,
yeah,
बारिश हो गई
polyester cap.
yes,
मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो कि वो सर भीग गया
हाँ.
सूख ही नहीं रही
definitely. That's why we've made it in a dry fit fabric only. We
Those
do.
are water resistance cap,
Yes,
right? So
not water resistant, but it will dry very quickly.
dry very
Rapid drying
quickly. Okay,
fabrics.
okay, okay. So if I want to make a 500 pieces of dry fit caps, basic like this one, how much will it be around, and how much customizable is it?
So we can good dry fit caps. We can start from 120, 130
120,
range,
130
and
for 500 minimum.
for 500 minimum. And what was the other question that you asked?
How customizable it is, because I
So
think
in a dry fit cap, we can play around with against value additions like stickers,
hmm,
reflective stickers. We can
hmm,
do. You can add sandwich hoods on in front of it if you want a reflective sandwich hood in front of it.
okay,
Then we can add that. We can play around with the back closures that we have.
hmm,
We can add deep buckles to it. We can add snapbacks to it.
hmm,
Velcro is the basic one that we can do
yeah,
for
yeah,
obviously,
yeah.
and eyelet buckles are also there that we can do. You can also do clasp buckles that I think I showed it to you,
No, do you
like
have a sample of any
of a
performance cap we can
performance cap.
show
Yes,
to
we
the
can
people?
certainly call for a sample.
This one, this is
This
what
is
this
a
is.
D buckle.
D buckle.
Yeah,
Okay, and embroidery at the back.
embroidery at the back.
Wow, and these holes are just
These are vent holes.
vent holes.
Yeah, these are meant for ventilation.
Okay, do they really vent?
Yeah, so certain brands really specify that they want thick vent holes so
Ah,
for proper
because this
ventilation.
is not thick.
Some brands say that you can just it can be an imitation hole
Okay, just to showcase
just to
that
showcase because
there
like
is.
even the biggest of the holes, if you just have 6 holes at the
Huh.
top, they don't really provide a lot of ventilation.
And this kind of a
This is what is a clasp buckle that I was talking
glass
about.
buckle.
Yeah,
Okay, that's like a bag.
bag buckle.
बैग में
yes.
जो आते हैं वो वाले.
जी, जी, जी.
Right. So this is a embroidery done on
Yeah,
this.
this is a
हर
raised embroidery, 3D
raised
embroidery.
हाँ
Yeah.
भाई, this is very thick. Like you can see, ये इतना thick है at least.
This is
इसकी
6 mm thick.
हाँ
9 mm is the world record.
what? Okay, this is very thick. Like right. So this one looks very nice. This I guess this is suede, right?
This is suede.
This is suede.
This is suede, and then this is all laser cut on the same suede fabric as the front.
Okay, this is laser cut on the back. And this looks very nice. Like, might not look nice on me, but but the style is very nice. Yeah. Okay, so we have dry fit one, right?
Yes. So this is a basic
This one is dry
fabric.
fit.
Yes. That one can
This
go
is very light. We can
very
just
light. Yes.
so ये वाली नहीं है जो
ये
हम
fold वाली नहीं
fold
है.
वाली नहीं है.
हाँ.
This is basic one.
Yes, this is the basic one that we can start.
Okay, this is very light. I guess this is 30 grams. Might
Yes.
be
Under 100 grams.
under 100 grams. Yeah, and ये 90s की मूवी वाली है.
Yes.
So you know
Barrett hat, golf cap.
Salman Khan, Anand. Sorry. Yes, they were in. So how much something like this will cost if I go for 500? You're matching
Yes.
quantity
So again, this will range around 150, 160.
150.
Yeah.
So I have another question. Denim cap. So this is a denim, I guess.
No, this is cotton twill. 100%
Cotton tool.
Yes.
This feels like denim. This one is denim.
So basically, denim भी अगर आप if you see ना तो it is a 12 fabric only. The
Okay.
weave structure is the same.
Okay.
So
This one is also cotton.
cotton twill. Yes.
Not
Not
denim.
denim.
It feels like denim.
Yes.
How much
The
GSM
weave-
is this?
This will be about 250 GSM.
250 GSM. Better than denim, I guess. Yeah, इसमें jeans बना हुआ है. So we can customize at max. Like अंदर भी we can do branding
Yes, like
with the
branding is possible. Yes.
tape. We can do branding here, anywhere. Anything
Anywhere
is
on the cap, yeah.
possible.
Yeah.
Wow. And-
We had a brand that wanted embroidery on the stitch lines. Like they wanted some floral embroidery that was going over the stitch lines also.
Wow.
Multiple embroideries all over the
Hmm.
cap. So the whole surface area, whatever you see, you can customize in a cap.
Okay. Okay. Give me that one. G. Yeah.
So,
So
this is also a corduroy fabric cap.
okay.
This is a Chanel embroidery.
This is Chanel patch.
Yeah, Chanel embroidery. Yes.
Directly done on this.
Yeah, on the fabric.
Okay, so this is a Chanel patch. Looks very nice and clean. This is all in house. Everything is in house.
Yeah, so embroidery is not in house. Embroidery
But-
we
but
outsource,
the-
yeah. Everything other than that is in
Can be done. Wow, this looks nice. And the buckle,
Yeah, this is the eyelet buckle that I
eyelet buckle.
Yeah.
This is an eyelet buckle on the back for you guys to know. If you want to contact him, you just know what to say so that you'll sound serious. If you're not, okay, watch this again. I'm just here to provide value for you guys. So just in case, if you don't know anything, you can rewind and watch it. See what this is called, and this looks very nice. So this is a JK tire one.
JK
You
tire.
guys made for JK
Yeah.
tire.
Yes.
Wow, motorsport. This looks very sporty.
This is a stitch on rubber patch on that.
PU stitch, right?
Yeah.
PU sticker.
No, it's not a sticker, it's a stitched on patch though.
Okay. Wow. You see JK tire, and I'm the guy.
This also has the sandwich hood that I was talking about, the reflective tape on the hood. If you see beach play.
Oh yes, yes,
This
yes.
is reflective if you flash your light on it.
Oh boy, yes. This is the max customizable.
Even on the
Reflective है यहाँ
side, if
पे.
you see.
Wow. So how much does like something like this cost? I mean, this must go over the roof for
No. So the reflective tape is not that big of a
no,
add-on.
total
The total
package.
cap, this will range around 170, 180 rupees
170, 180, but for 500 at least.
for 500 pieces.
Yeah, like workable. hai. This I'm gonna make some for my brand. Probably my name written here, the I'm a Q guy. Yeah. So we can do any kind of. We have embroidery, and what kind of trend do you see in the future of caps? Like
So trend, basically the caps, as I was saying, na, it's like the sneaker culture only.
Mhm.
It is, people are really fanatic about the caps. I've seen people really there are hard shell cases that come specially made for caps, to store caps and to carry caps around. Like
No.
people really collect their caps, who are really avid enthusiasts about caps. They really take care of their caps and keep them clean, try to keep them clean, just like the sneaker culture. It's almost exactly the same culture
Same.
that is in caps.
So I have this question popped out in my mind. What's the max max नहीं कौन सा सबसे hardest client के लिए you made the best caps ever? Must be some client, right? Just want to know your experience कि किसी एक client के लिए you made, like people are crazy, they make anything, right?
So the hardest cap to crack was a pure pashmina cap that we
पश्मीना क्या?
pure pashmina. So the fabric is so fine, वो उसको stitch करना is really difficult. I
Okay.
don't think so people are able to stitch pashmina.
पश्मीना क्या?
पश्मीना आपने usually देखा होगा shawls
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वो
बहुत
stoles
soft
ही वो
होता है.
उतनी width में weave ही उतने में करते हैं. They
हाँ.
don't stitch it.
Okay.
तो अपना उसको तो we had to take stoles and उसको cut करके the handling of that fabric is
हाँ,
basically
delicate.
extremely difficult. उसमें cutting करना is also very अपने आप में
ऑलरेडी वेरी यूनिक फैब्रिक
हाँ.
वो जो भेड़ होती है
हाँ,
हमारी
हाँ.
कश्मीर की,
हाँ.
उसका ऊपर का एक मतलब नीचे का कोट छोड़ के केवल ऊपर का वो निकालता है.
Skin.
हाँ
Skin.
स्किन नहीं मतलब वो
wool ही
hair,
निकलता
Wool.
है.
जो
हाँ.
wool जो उसका है.
Okay.
और वो भी वो ब्रश करके निकालते हैं.
Brush करके
काट के नहीं
निकालते.
निकालते.
Oh my god, this is so must be very
It is
expensive
one of
also.
the finest fabrics in the
Finest
world.
Finest.
हाँ,
Pashmina.
pashmina.
Okay.
So-
Okay. So note this down.
तो
Do
उसके
not
लिए
go with pashmina. Because that's
we
great.
can make pashmina caps.
No,
We
I
can
mean
obviously
he
go.
can make pashmina caps and uh, go on for it if you are very delicate about exotic fabric. I think
Yes,
that's an
so if
exotic fabric.
someone's really building a top tier luxury
हाँ,
brand, then
हाँ.
they can choose for
So,
pashmina and
उसे
fabric.
स्टिच कैसे किया? स्टिचिंग में तो बहुत दिक्कत आएगी.
हाँ तो वही तो it took very we had to train a few of our
Labors.
labor carriers and then उनका हाथ अच्छे से हमने fine fabrics दिए उनको because that fabric also we cannot waste a lot of it
हाँ.
because itself is very expensive.
हाँ.
The threads उसमें जो इस्तेमाल करी उसमें खूब अच्छी अपनी R&D लगी कि ज़्यादा उसको pull करेगा तो it will just tear off.
हाँ, tear off.
It will just tear off because
Yeah.
the fabric is so fine. तो इसको हमने वीवर से भी बात करी. We had to really increase the GSM of that fabric a little
हम्म.
bit कि इतनी
Thick
difficult
बनाना
है, थोड़ा
पड़ेगा.
thick बनाना
हाँ, thick
पड़ेगा.
बनाना पड़ेगा.
इतना तो वो सब करा हमने then इसलिए उसमें बहुत R&D लगी and it was really hard to manipulate with but we
Wow.
could pull it off and चल रहा है उससे भी सही अपना buyer.
So the
Yes.
the price range must be much higher
Yes, that is one of the most expensive caps that we've
made
Yes.
till now. Pashmina cap. Wow.
That is in the range of I think 1500 rupees
1500
per cap.
for a cap.
Cap,
1500 रुपए.
minimum MOQ.
Yeah, minimum
minimum
MOQ of 500 or 1000.
Yeah, no, we can make pashmina caps. Yeah, we can make a little lower MOQ also.
But the price
Yeah,
range might
but the pricing
Yeah.
will change.
1500 for a cap. I don't know how they're going to sell for like 5,000, 10,000, I guess.
Yes, so वो तो cotton caps ही people sell like New Era and all. If you go to buy a New Era cap in
Yeah.
India, you'll good ranges that they have, good collections that they have will range around 6,000-7,000 rupees
7,000 for a cap.
for a cap. So
Wow. I'll just simply come here for a cap and spending 7,000. I'll just
So-
say, Divyang bhai, okay, hey, do me a favor, get me a pashmina cap.
like pure Kashmir caps, I don't think so anybody in the world is doing pure Kashmir cap.
Well, you guys are doing this
We are obviously doing that
on order.
on order.
Wow, this like I had no idea that this kind of caps exist till now. So, in sportswear, have you worked with any bigger brand like Under Armour, Nikes, or anybody like or Untrained?
Untrained के लिए तो हम वेट कर रहे हैं.
So,
तो
Yeah.
अपना- नहीं अभी हमने कोई ऐसे बिग नेम नाइक्स प्यूमा ऐसे
हाँ.
नहीं बट या योनेक्स दैट वी आर
Yonex. Yonex is a big
they
name.
are looking to start their line.
Yonex make ball like cricket ball.
they're more
Tennis, right?
badmintons, yes.
Wow.
वो है उनके साथ कर रहे हैं. Couple of brands that we are in talks with. This is we're doing for Sports Union is a good brand from Maharashtra.
Okay. Sports Union.
Yes.
Sounds like a ministry. Sports Union.
It's like it's a brand.
Yeah,
So they're doing good. They're giving us good quantities also. So
nice. JK Tire is also good. Like it
yes,
goes
these
with
are
their.
more event-based customers.
Yeah, so when the event comes, they come around for the caps,
We've
and this is
also
a
done
very
for
fine quality.
Jack Daniels as event-based.
Jack
Quebecco,
Daniel.
yeah, Quebecco.
Uh,
We've done
they send you
Oppo. We've
some
done.
Jack Daniel stuff or not?
No,
Or
I
just the
wish.
caps? They come for the
They were
caps.
launching the JD and Coke wala cans that time.
Yeah, yeah.
We made caps for
So
that.
you'll get the Coke also.
Yes, we did get Cokes.
Okay, perks of having good clients, they send you good stuff,
Yes, they send
especially
us
if
good
they are on alcohol. Yeah,
stuff. We also did a promotional item for Apple.
Apple. You
Yes.
did for Apple. Wow,
So
how come
this
this?
was for the they were doing some fitness
Okay,
event.
so
तो ये उनका
yeah,
Apple Watch में ये
logo.
पीछे आते हैं ना फिटनेस ट्रैकर्स
Yeah,
जो
this
तो हमने ये
logo is.
पीछे मशीन उस पे स्ट्रैप पे भी प्रिंट कराया उसको.
You can see this Apple logo here. This is a Apple event watch that this guy does, and this is the logo. Wow. So Apple get these for event.
Yeah, this was an event in the US that they got. We also made caps for this Ghostbusters movie
Ghostbuster.
that just released,
Merch for
Frozen
them.
Frozen Castle.
Mm-hmm.
अभी जो recently released हुई थी. So we had made about 25,000 caps for them.
About
also.
25,000.
Yes, for
Oh,
the
nice,
promotions.
nice. But Apple's a big name.
Yes, Apple is a
Yeah.
big name. Yes.
Apple's like this.
Even JK Tires is a big.
Jaketas, yeah, Indian, right? But this goes global, right? But I'm more into JD, not Apple, not JK Tire. And Tire, chodo.
So the Members Only is also a very big brand from the US. That we're doing.
Which one?
Members Only, जिसका HD का you were showing ना.
Okay,
तो वो
members only.
yeah.
Never heard of what they do. Like,
They are a clothing brand from
Clothing
the US.
brand.
Yes,
okay,
they're a very old clothing brand.
okay. So they create a high fashion or sustainable fashion like Levi's and all.
So it's a mixed category only. They make good high quality stuff also, jackets and all, and normal t-shirts and all. They do deal in. They're more than casual clothing, I feel.
Okay. So do you plan to launch your own brand also because you have the position, right?
We are catering to all the brands, so what will we add by one other brand?
Yeah. So you don't
More
want.
headache to for us. It's more of a headache because we
Yeah.
are more focused towards quantums,
Yeah.
not brand building as of now. So
White labeling
maybe
for.
white labeling is the best. Plus, it creates a lot of conflict of interest. Also, I don't think so. It's ethical because we know all the
Yeah.
up and coming styles of the good brands that we are making for, and then we launch our own brand.
Yeah.
It's
So
not ethical.
brands might have any.
Even
some
if you
issue.
don't want to copy, but subconsciously branding, styling, कुछ ना कुछ कहीं जाके similar हो ही जाता है.
हो ही जाता है because you have the access of like brands like Apple Event, JK Tires, JD. So I think they might have a. You're right. Like this might create a conflict.
पर जैसे ये event based में तो इतना conflict of interest की बात नहीं है,
And
but
this
for
is not a
brands that
brand.
we are doing for certain brands that we cannot publicly tell that
not
we're manufacturing for them.
disclose.
Yes.
Disclose or they have NDAs also, right?
Correct.
That you can't even copy a style or something like that, and subconsciously.
Till the time they launch their products, they don't want their styling to be out of in the
like-
market also. No?
Yeah.
For good brands, you know, before they launch, even their knockoffs are already in the market. So they don't want these types of situations. to
Leaks
Yeah,
should
leaks
not
should
happen.
not happen.
Yeah, this is very delicate, and this was also like this should happen because I've been with a lot of manufacturers. They create their brand also and they use the client's data also. It happens in India. It's no like छुपाने वाली बात नहीं है. It does happens in India.
बिल्कुल.
Like small manufacturers, they don't take NDA also, and sometimes client doesn't have the knowledge that they should have an NDA, right? And they what they do is they already have a lot of clients data and they mix it out from that and create their own brand because they have positioning and they can play on the pricing. They have everything low cost. So this does happens in India, especially the D market. So they create some crazy stuff, but Yeah.
Maybe some brands also take inspiration. अच्छा इन्होंने हमारा knockoff so बनाई दिया है. The design looks nice. Maybe we should just launch it. Maybe. Just
Like
joking.
there's this brand I know, क्या नाम था उसका? Represent, I guess. Represent founder find out that their brand's D is way more selling than their own brand. So what he does, he contacted to China, to the factories they were manufacturing the D, and he sold those D also, and the brand is also there. So he made more money than his original brand by the D.
Yeah.
I think this is a very
Even-
smart strategy. Why?
Even Virgil Abloh, the founder and the creative mind behind Off-White,
Huh.
he said in an interview once that if someone's putting in the time and copying you and replicating your brand stuff and really putting in money and earning out of it, that is a sign of respect for you, that your brand is good enough for other people to sustain copy and sustain on.
Yeah.
So it is a testament on its own that you've reached a certain level that people want to replicate you and earn off of it.
You have a certain mark that you have done.
Yes.
Wow. Nice. So caps are this, like this, a very hard and rigid cap, right?
Yeah. So these are called trucker caps.
Trucker cap.
That have hard mesh at the back. This particular one is a 7-panel cap. So this is a new development again that we for a US client that we are serving.
Wow, this is very hard and rigid. This must be in duck shape, right?
Yeah, duck shape, but its front construction is different than most regular caps.
I can see this
yes.
panel 3 divided.
Yeah.
Right, this Tucker cap. How much this one cost? Like something like this?
In the range of about 160 rupees.
160 around. Nice. And this looks very nice. Right? It does have a
this
same
is also
mesh.
light, comfortable for people to wear.
This is very soft.
और ventilation इसमें actually बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं.
हाँ, because backside all mesh. This is very soft. Like, this is very nice. Like, exceptional quality. Front side with embroidery on it. Yeah. How much this one? Like something like this, same range of this one, right?
Yeah.
This is what? This
is
stuff?
a foamed hosiery that.
Foam hosiery.
Yeah.
Okay. Like.
So basically, we fused foam and hosiery together and made the fabric.
Because front side feels like brushed. Something is brushed here.
Something like a t-shirt.
Nice. So same style. Backside,
but with a velour structured front. This is a rigid front.
This feels like velvet.
This is a soft front. No? This collapses nicely. That is a rigid structured cap.
But this feels like velvet, right?
Yeah.
Velvet it is.
Velvet velour.
Yeah, velvet, but in a baseball. Front style, I guess. It looks nice. If you put a logo here.
Yes.
Very nice. This looks nice. So nice. This is, I guess, that's it for caps. I learned a lot about caps, which I had no idea, and you guys also who's watching this, and Divyang been very, very like good teacher to me on this one, because I literally had zero knowledge about caps, like what is called this and how much customizable it can be. This is the first time that we are actually sitting and talking, right? For an hour or something.
Correct.
Right. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and Divyang's been like, I'm very grateful for him to be here with me today, and I think Divyang will again come with some new development. We can still talk about caps because I'm also a big fan of cap. And Divyang, you have anything to say?
Definitely, it was a pleasure of mine to be on the podcast and have the opportunity to really sit down and talk to you. It was really nice. Has been good. Hopefully, I was able to share some good insights and
definitely
good information for the viewers as well, who are looking to start out and start their own caps collection, and maybe a streetwear collection that they want to start, and they can incorporate caps into it. And the information is useful for them to get started. Maybe click something in the head.
Maybe something like this will help you out
Yeah.
to understand the cap market, to cap how does it make and everything. I'm also here to help you guys and hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'll put Divyang's contact info in the podcast description. You guys, if you guys have any queries or anything, you can contact him shamelessly, like I do. So
Yes.
I'll see you next time. This is Dipanshu at Cuddle India.